The Soccer Game That Changed My Life by Candy Drexel for EDCI 321. When I was in elementary school, all I could think about was soccer. My life revolved around soccer. It was practically all that was talked about at the dinner table each night. Soccer practice, soccer games, soccer jerseys, soccer balls, soccer coaches, soccer tournaments. Soccer, soccer, soccer. And I would not have wanted it any other way. One Saturday morning, my coach threw me into our game to be a goalie. As a forward, this position was completely foreign to me. As I'm standing in the goal, already stressed by this new position, I glance over at my mom. She's holding something in a blanket, rocking it back and forth. What in the world? I thought. My mom does not have a baby. Maybe I'm just saying things because I'm stressed. Is that your baby? Another parent asked my mom. It sure is, my mom replied. I turned to my mom in shock, and since my attention was off the field, I did not see the forward from the other team run straight towards me and strike the ball into the goal. Except she missed, and the ball hit me straight in the head. The next thing I remember is waking up, still lying flat on my back, with a puppy being dangled in front of my face. My mom then said, "Candy, meet our new puppy. Look how cute he is in this little blanket." And that is the story of how we got our lab chase. The end.